Okay, so you have decided to do your own countertops. I'm going to give you a bit of a tip for getting your laminate roughly to size before you start gluing. So this is what I do. I overcut it by quite a bit. I overhang it on the back side, so the wall side. All right, and then I flush it on my finished sides like this. And I push it all into that back corner so that there's lots of overhang over there. I use some spring clamps. You don't have to use, you can use any type of clamp just to hold it in place while I'm taking the router, and then I'll router that flush front edge. I'll set my router bit a little lower than normal so that it'll catch all of the material. And I just router that front edge. Of course, my spring clamp is a little bit out of position. Anyway, move that over. I cut that. Now, after that's been cut, you'll be able to see how I have a nice overhang all the way around. So I pull it away from the corner. Look at that. I have an overhang on all of my sides, the back side and the front. It looks beautiful, and that way I'm able to get a nice glue up.